So I'll be showing you how to use the always on display without the wallpaper on your iPhone 16 Pro models. That's the 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. So you can see this always on display has a wallpaper. If you don't want that, then go to settings. Under settings, go to display and brightness, and then go to always on display. And what you want to do is turn off the show wallpaper option. Now when you turn that off, you'll still have the always on display on, but without the wallpaper. So now your always on display is gonna look like that. So that's basically how to use always on display on your iPhone 16 and 16 Pro without the wallpaper. Now this also works on the iPhone 15 models. And yeah, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like and maybe even subscribe for more tech tips. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.